I have a 13-year-old KitchenAide Microwave Model #KCMS145JSS that has died. It is built in our cabinet, so I need to replace it with a model that has the same dimensions. Can you recommend one?
Hello, I'm Joel. Thank you for your interest in our service. If you have been waiting a while, I apologize. We try to help as many customers as possible in a timely manner. I am now available to help you with your question. Sure, give me a few minutes to have a look for you. Here, this KitchenAide model should fit just fine. It's basically the new line of the one you have and should fit in your space just fine. Link. KitchenAide appliances are prob some of the best. Would recommend staying with that line. Rating me will not in any way cost you any more than you have already paid. We techs only get a small portion of whatever you have chosen to pay after a good star rating is chosen. This is the only way I am credited through the site for my time. This will also allow you to get directly back to me for free follow-up questions. Tips are not expected but are greatly appreciated. Thanks. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.